Welcome to Tech Logics. In today's video, we'll show you how to connect the LAN internet to your Hikvision DVR and enable the mobile app access feature. We'll walk you through setting up the Hikconnect mobile app, so you can easily add your DVR and access live views and playback remotely from anywhere in the world. Stay tuned for step-by-step instructions and helpful tips to enhance your security setup. Let's get started. To establish internet connectivity for your Hikvision DVR, first connect it to your modem or router using an Ethernet cable plugged into the LAN port. Once the physical connection is secure, turn on the DVR to start the setup process. First, log into your DVR using the admin account. Then, right-click on the screen to select the Main Menu option. In this setup, the DVR is connected to an HDMI display and controlled using a mouse. This method allows you to access the DVR's menu for further configuration. Navigate to the top menu and go to Configuration, then select Network, followed by General, and finally TCP/IP. Ensure that the NIC option is set to LAN, which designates the network interface. Next, in the same section, make sure to enable the DHCP option, which allows the DVR to automatically obtain an IP address and other network settings. Also, enable the DNS option to ensure proper domain name resolution. After making these changes, click Apply to save the settings and easily connect your DVR to the internet for remote access and other network functions. To enable remote access for your DVR via the mobile app, go to the same Network section and navigate to the Platform Access page. In this section, you need to enable the Hikconnect feature, which allows your DVR to be accessible through the Hikconnect mobile app for remote viewing and management. Toggle on the Enable Hikconnect option to activate the feature. Once enabled, the Service Terms page will appear, prompting you to review and agree to the Hikconnect service terms and privacy policy. Follow the on-screen instructions to accept these terms to complete the setup for mobile app access. Ensure that all the necessary options, including Hikconnect and related settings, are enabled. After verifying these, click the Apply button to save the configuration. A successful setup will be indicated when the connection status changes from offline to online, meaning the DVR is connected to the Hikconnect server and can now be accessed remotely via the mobile app. Optionally, you can change the verification code to a more memorable one, making it easier to remember. This code is useful when accessing or sharing camera access with friends or neighbors, ensuring a quick and convenient way to verify your device during remote connections. Once everything is properly set up and configured, a QR code will appear on the screen. Use the Hikconnect mobile app to scan this QR code, which will automatically add your DVR to the app. Download and install the Hikconnect app. To download and install the Hikconnect app, start by opening the Play Store on your smartphone or tablet. Use the search bar at the top to type Hikconnect and locate the app in the search results, ensuring it is the version developed by Hikvision. Tap on the app to open its page and click the Install button, accepting any permissions if prompted. This will begin downloading the app, and installation will continue automatically once the download finishes. The entire process typically takes a few minutes. Once installed, you can launch the app directly by tapping Open or by finding the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Upon opening the app for the first time, you'll be asked to select your region. It's important to choose your correct country to ensure optimal app performance and connectivity with local servers. After completing these steps, the Hikconnect app is ready to be used with your Hikvision camera. If you already have a Hikconnect account, you can easily log in by providing either your phone number or email address associated with your account. Simply open the app and look for the login screen. Enter your phone number or email in the designated field and type in your password. After that, tap the Login button to access your account. If you're new to Hikconnect, you'll need to register first. On the login screen, you will have the option to register. Choose either the email or mobile number option, depending on which method you prefer for creating your account. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets the app's security requirements, which usually means it should contain a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your email and password, you'll have to complete a CAPTCHA verification to prove that you're not a robot. This usually involves selecting images or typing what you see in a box. After successfully completing the CAPTCHA, the app will send a verification code to your provided email address. Check your email for this verification code, and once you find it, return to the app and enter the code in the appropriate field. This step confirms that you own the email address you've registered with. Additionally, you can link your phone number to your account for easier future logins. This means that when you log in next time, you can simply use your phone number instead of your email address if that is more convenient for you. For enhanced security, the app also offers options to enable face recognition or biometric authentication, such as fingerprint scanning, if your device supports it. Activating these features adds an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring that only you can access your data and camera settings without needing to enter a password each time. This registration and login process ensures that your account is secure and accessible while providing a convenient way to manage your Hikvision device's settings through the Hikconnect app. Once you have logged into the Hikconnect app with your account, you should see the Add Device option on the main screen. To add your DVR, tap on Add Device or the plus symbol, then select the option to scan a QR code. The app will prompt you to grant permission to access your photos and camera, which is necessary for the QR code scanning feature. After granting permission, locate the QR code generated earlier on the platform page under the Hikconnect section. Hold your smartphone steady so the camera can clearly see and scan the QR code. The app will automatically recognize and process it. The QR code contains essential identification and configuration details for your DVR. Once scanned successfully, the app will automatically recognize your device and guide you through the final setup steps. You will see a confirmation message indicating that the DVR has been added successfully, and the setup process will be complete. At this point, your DVR is ready for remote monitoring and management using the Hikconnect app. While audio recording features are disabled by default, you have the option to enable them later if needed. During the process, you may be prompted to authorize control of your DVR, referred to as Service Provider Authorization. You can choose to skip this step if you prefer. Once everything is configured, your DVR will appear in the app's device list, and you can start viewing live feeds, playback recordings, and adjust settings remotely via your smartphone. This method provides a quick and efficient way to connect and manage your Hikvision DVR from anywhere. Once the DVR is successfully added to the Hikconnect app, it becomes fully accessible for remote management. You can enjoy features such as live streaming, which allows you to view real-time footage directly from your smartphone or tablet, regardless of your location. Additionally, the Playback feature enables you to easily access and review previously recorded footage, providing convenience and security at your fingertips. All these features are available through the Hikconnect app, which works seamlessly over both mobile data and Wi-Fi around the globe. This means you can monitor your property in real time whether you're at home, at work, or traveling. The user-friendly interface of the Hikconnect app ensures smooth navigation and straightforward access to your camera feeds and recordings. For more detailed guidance and clarification on various settings and advanced functionalities, be sure to explore the other segments of this video series. These additional tutorials will offer comprehensive explanations to help you make the most of your Hikvision device, ensuring you have complete control and peace of mind wherever you are. If you found this video useful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Your contributions help us create more informative content and ensure we can continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether it's by liking the video, sharing it with others, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support truly makes a difference and is greatly appreciated. Thank you for being part of our community.